Hi, good afternoon. This is Arslan, and today we are going to discuss about how you can grow your LinkedIn network as a recruiter. So definitely, I'm going to discuss about different strategies, and I'm going to show you my profile as well. So yes, so just a second. Yes, all things are set up. So in our last session, I have done a session for induction as well, and we have talked about the LinkedIn. We have talked about the networking. We have talked about the Bizlockr as well. And in our last session, we talk about the TikTok, how you can make money without zero follower, like with the promotion, with the with the content, or with the reviews, with the affiliate things. So yeah, we already discussed such kind of things, and now we are going to talk about where recruiters can get the benefit. LinkedIn like is uh, 2015 and wondering why this is box is still empty. So I have been this industry in recruitment industry from the long time, and I was working for permanent, for temp, or for a contractor, and I have done all the things already. And for years I treated LinkedIn like a digital CV. So even I can show you, I'll show you something. Yes, this is my account. I got just a few followers, so you can see here. So I have created this just for as a purpose of CV. So you can see here, like I'm working with the from the last year, and before than that I was working with the uh, Bizlockr, and then different industries as well. So I started in 2018, 19, and then my university and all the things. So I was literally treating it as a CV. So even sometime I downloaded my CV as well from here. So yeah, these kind of things happen sometime when you don't know the things completely. So sometime I post a job when I needed to fill a role, or I have already done these kind of things, and I share a motivational quote. So I'll show you. So you can see here my activity. So you can see here, like I'm posting, I'm posting about the games. I'm posting about some quotes about the Eid. It's a festival, and then I'm talking about the this child. Then I'm talking about a few things. So definitely I'm trying to putting some quotes and putting some things. And I'm wonder why is not getting the inbound leads what I want. So definitely, if my profile is not up to mark and my profile is not updated, then definitely I'm not going to get a lot of things. So then I realized something that changed everything. Uh, Last year in October, uh, I was about searching on the LinkedIn. Then I noticed like I got a four or 500 followers, and then I decided I need to do something more than that. And then I was putting some quotations, I was putting some jobs, and I was trying to reach out to the people. So in 2026, this is not just about broadcasting, it's about building a network that can you know work for you while you are busy, you are sleeping, you're doing something else for recruitment. So it's about creating a system where candidate come to you before even they even can start searching, and where the clients trust your expertise before they even met you. So now I want you to show you how exactly I have done all the things, and how I have generated the leads as well, how I was doing referrals, and how I was doing business, getting the business opportunities. So we are going to cover the complete playbook from optimizing your profile. Is so actually it's going to appear in searches, and you are going to get the connection request as well, and you are oh, going to be a prominent on the uh, Bizlockr as well, and on the LinkedIn as well. So this is what we are going to cover. And first thing, most of the time recruitment treat like it's just a 2015. And even I can show you people are posting the jobs, and looking to connect with the letting agent and state agent. So directly people are coming, and they are they are not putting any kind of activities, they are not doing anything. They're just coming, and they are saying that, like, we are selling this, we are offering this, and these kind of things uh, they are doing. So if you say, like, um, the post, uh, about the recruitment thing. So most of the time, recruitment founders who fail on LinkedIn, they do one thing. They play it safe, like a generic motivation quote, like a teamwork make the dream work, and they're trying some kind of nonsense. They're trying to please everyone means you connect with no one. So they sell on every single post. We are hiring for, we are looking for, or DM me for this thing, for that thing. So yes, you can see here, like, let's say we are going to see this person, Abhishek or something, like he is a recruitment business scaler faster and all the things. Okay, that's fine. So we can see is like we are hiring and locum staffing, post of the close episode. So, the bigger picture, the smaller picture, I don't know what he's talking about, you know. Yes. And then we don't know what he's talking about. So he start putting a few things just a month ago, and before that, then there is nothing. So yes, such kind of things happen. And then we can see a lot of people, they're doing the same thing. Hi, Bilzana. Thanks for joining again. So now I'm
Hi.
talking about the uh, LinkedIn. So how people are treating. So I'm talking about in the prospect of recruitment. So
Mhm.
LinkedIn has started in the year of most of the time it's got a prominent a little bit in 2015, and people are thinking about LinkedIn is just a resume. Even I was thinking the same thing. So in my, I already shown mention here. So you can see here, I was using it as a digital resume. I was sharing with the different things with the people. You can see here my experience: recruitment executive, recruitment consultant, resource coordinator, administrative, then my university education and all the things. So last year in October, there is a bit stormy night, and I was not sleeping, and then I was checking my LinkedIn, and I have seen a lot of posting, and I think I got around 300 to 400 followers, and I think I
Mhm.
need to utilize this. I need to
Mhm.
make the things in a good way. So then I start posting, then I start with connecting with the people. And today, till today, I got around 7,665 followers and almost
Wow.
same connections, like you can see here in front of you.
Mhm.
So 7,000 and almost 500 connections as well.
Amazing. That's
So
amazing.
yeah, so you need to post the content. Maybe you can post like one or two post
Mhm.
in a month, and then you need to do the comments about let's say if I'm going to see the post about anything, like if it's most of the time on my profile, there is 80 to 90% people from healthcare industry. Some are owners, some are directors, some are CEOs, some are register managers, RGNs, RMNs, and I got a other remaining, they are in the recruitment sector. So when they're going to put something, and they are some are people are looking for any help, or some people are putting some kind of opportunities, then I'm going to do the comments. I'm going to give them the value. So
Mhm.
I'm looking for with the commercial construction talent in Atlanta market. Okay, that's fine. Yes, you can find out. So GAPC recruiter are the eyes and ear of the consultant industry. So right now I'm looking for a PM and AMPs and estimators with the ground up construction.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
this person is a recruiter and he is going to share the just jobs. So what I realize, if you are just coming and sharing like we are hiring, we are looking for, and you are not just you are just looking for yourself, like you are talking about yourself, about your industry, and you are not going to give the value to other people, so definitely you are not going to gain those followers.
Mm-hmm.
So if you are going to talk about, let's suppose, if you got a knowledge, if you got a kind of experience, you are thinking like, oh, that's good, people can get the benefit, you can come here on the LinkedIn, and if you're going to write just the 2 lines, and if someone is going to say, oh, okay, that's the exact thing, and they're appreciating, again, if someone is going to comparatively on LinkedIn, we are going to get less followers, we are going to less comments and the likes, because here on the LinkedIn, most of the time people, they don't have a lot of time, all are
Mm-hmm.
professional, all are working in different industries. So yeah, we need to keep these kind of things in mind. So but if we are giving some kind of value, then definitely we are going to read, and we are you know going to do some kind of comments, like
Mm-hmm.
you can see here, happy 90th birthday Cynthia. So we have love that this thing and that thing, and about the, basically she's a RGN, she is a commissioning general manager for every healthcare. So
Mm-hmm.
she just shared the incident of her care home, and so she can see like, okay, she haven't got a lot of, it's just 25 minutes ago. But if you
Mm-hmm.
see her followers, how many followers she got? Okay, so she haven't got a lot of followers. It's just a 4 or 500. But if she is going to putting continuously posting, she is going to get a lot of followers. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
she just started just a few months back, like just 1 month ago, she started posting. So before
Okay.
that, like she was, inactive, and she was not doing anything. So
Mm-hmm.
we I was talking about these kind of things, we are hiring register manager. So they're just talking about their industry, their own business. So if they are coming, they are going to share the stats of the industry, they are going to share the worries and ins and out of the industry, then people are going to get engaged, people are going to say, oh, okay, this person is talking about the real thing, yes, we are getting this kind of issues, then automatically that person is, you know uh, profile is going on the boost.
Mm-hmm.
So those who got their business, and they're sometimes like they got fail, then they start putting, about the different motivational course, they're going to become a motivational speakers after they're getting fail from here and there. They're putting like a teamwork make the dream work, and they're trying to something nonsense, when they are,
Mm-hmm.
they're not putting the value. If they are going to putting the value, definitely they are going to get something. And as we can see on the other second post, people are, trying to sell something, but we can see here she is the recruitment coordinator. So she's saying that I have spent most of the time working, I'm used to busy getting done these kind of that things. But strange when body forces you to slow down, especially when you're used to being independent and getting away the things. So we can see, we are not following Francesca,
Mm-hmm.
we don't know about Francesca. She haven't uploaded her profile as well. So even that, LinkedIn is coming in suggestion. Can you see?
Yeah.
Suggested. We need to see her profile. So even her profile is not up to the mark. Like, she haven't put the banner, she haven't put the profile picture, and instead of this, she got almost 1,000 followers.
Mm.
So, before
Very good.
21 hours, uh, last post her she made the post around 8 months ago, you can see here.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So even she don't have a profile picture, that's totally fine. She just got a few following, and she's just doing reposting the things. So
Uh-huh.
she got just one or two post from her side. But
Mm-hmm.
what things matter, because she is coming out of the box.
Mhm.
So she is not, we are hiring someone, we are posting jobs, we are doing this thing, we are doing that thing. She is sharing about herself as well. So that's why LinkedIn is going to, prioritize that content.
Okay.
So how you can build that good foundation? First of all, you need to create a good profile, and I think you don't have your profile on the LinkedIn.
No.
Yes. So for making a good profile, so as you mentioned, like you don't want to come on the LinkedIn. It's totally up to you. But if we talk
No,
about
no,
the
I
topic,
didn't say that. No, I didn't say
uh,
that. What
like
I
you
meant
want
is,
to come, but
I,
you want to join a little bit late because you
I
want
want
to
to
put a few
take
things in your
the
pipeline.
steps exactly. I
Yes.
want to build myself up before I actually go there. So I have like a lot on my plate at the moment. So there's enough to deal with. Even some prospects coming to me. So I have some things on my plate at the moment, and I need to find my way. Once I have like enough. Let's say a formula, a content formula, and also let's say some kind of like a history, like
Mhm.
sales history and things like this. Once I have like enough of this, then I feel more confident to come on board and ready to sort of establish my identity there on the LinkedIn. But I don't want to
Mhm.
start off like on LinkedIn looking like a very junior,
No, wait.
and then
Yeah, I got it.
people get impression, oh, she's just junior, she's not really worth
Yeah.
approaching or whatever. Yeah, so I want to get to a certain point, and then I was going to do that, but hopefully that's very soon. And I really appreciate all the insights, information you're giving out through Bizlockr. So I'm really very happy about that. So yeah, in due course I will be there in the LinkedIn and other social media in due course. But at the moment, I'm just taking the baby steps at the moment. That's all I'm doing.
Yeah, yeah. I know already.
Mm.
So
Yeah.
that's totally fine.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, you are right. But I'll give you one suggestion.
Mm-hmm.
So when you're going to join the LinkedIn,
Yeah.
you don't need to take a subscription right on the very first step.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So like you need to put your profile. So
Yeah.
even yes, that's your choice. But I'll recommend
Yeah.
you need to create your profile because when people are going to
Mm-hmm.
connect to you, they see
Yeah.
your when you join the LinkedIn. So it's going to show
Yeah.
the credibility. So if you are thinking like I don't want to look like I'm a junior, so I got a plan. I can
Mm-hmm.
work with you on that one and that as
Okay.
well, and
Okay.
I'll give you the way, and you just need to give me your updated CV, and I'll make
Mm-hmm.
the content. I'll write a few things for you, and when you're going to put your LinkedIn, it's going to be
Yeah.
massive. It's going
Uh-huh.
to be yeah, you are going to be a kind of expert, and you are going to
Mm-hmm.
be look like yes, you got authority. But
Oh.
you know
Okay.
how it works. Uh, Look here, let me show you. People when they are coming and when they are connecting with you, they are going to
Mm-hmm.
see about the posting, like
Mm-hmm.
what kind of content you are sharing, what
Yes.
kind of values you are giving to others. So
Mm-hmm.
even we have seen the profile of I think Francisca just
Mm-hmm.
a minute ago, and she
Mm-hmm.
haven't put her profile.
No.
Even instead, like she got a 1200 followers. So on
Mm-hmm.
LinkedIn, if you got a 1200 followers, it means that your profile is way better than maybe from 2 million people.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So I think on the LinkedIn there is around I'm not sure, but I have read somewhere like there is on 226 million active users on the LinkedIn.
Mm-hmm.
226 million active users on the
Sure.
LinkedIn. So
Okay.
if your profile is if you got a 1000 followers, and I'll guarantee you your profile is way better than 50 million people because people are coming. they are making the profile and then they forget like what they need to do on this thing. But
Mm-hmm.
I'll guarantee you, after 3 to 4 years,
Yeah.
when you are looking for any kind of project or when you're looking for the business, people are not going to ask for your portfolio. People are not going to ask for the document. They are going to ask you, like, can you send us your LinkedIn profile?
Yes.
So you just
Yes.
need to send them, and they are going to see, oh, okay. Then they are going to say, okay. Then they are going to say yes or no. So I'll
Mm-hmm.
guarantee you, this is going to be happen.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
And
I understand. Yes, but some
mhm,
people they don't go on the LinkedIn. They don't really
yeah,
want to go on the LinkedIn.
yeah. Even
Yeah.
when I do sessions every day, and
Mm-hmm.
I know a lot of people. Even there is, I think, Corinne. Uh, uh, I need to. Here she is. She's not coming here. So otherwise, she got a very good qualifications as you got,
Mm-hmm.
and she's
Mm-hmm.
a mental health nurse. And she
Mm-hmm.
was saying to me like, I haven't done anything, how I can utilize. Then I started by myself, and I have created for her her background sticker, and I have created her profile, all the things. And I said, okay, if you don't have a time, that's totally fine. I'm going to give you
Mm-hmm.
the content. You just need to give 5 minutes, and you need to upload the content which I'm going to give you. And she said,
Mm-hmm.
okay, that I'll do it. So now she's gaining around, I think she got around 5 or 400 followers, and she's
Mm-hmm.
just a newly qualified RMN mental health nurse. But
Mm-hmm.
I said to her like, you need to grow your account, organically. And
Mm-hmm.
I have shared a few tips with her, and she is doing posting, commenting, and hopefully, yeah. I got yes. Let me show her profile. I got an idea. One day I done the comment and I reposted her profile. So yes, Corinne, you can see here. So I have created this thing,
Uh-huh.
and I have written down all the things. So I have mentioned about her, uh, you know uh, I take all the things from her
Mm-hmm.
CV, and I said, okay, you just need to post it there. And oh, okay, she got a I think she's not doing any activity, newly qualified RMN. So yeah, she's not doing any kind of activity. I was thinking like, yes, she's posting few things. You can see she was doing reposting. She
Mm-hmm.
was, she's just reposting. She's not coming up with her content. She just done a one post about, yes, 4 weeks ago. Leadership is not defined by the title, but is defined by your actions.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, so you can see here. Yeah, you are right. Actions are everything. Then someone else, like I agree with the courage section and all the things. So
Mm-hmm.
yes, when we are going to do comments, that next person is going to get the post. So I see many people, they are optimizing their profile, posting and doing the comments, but still they are not, connecting with the recruiters. They are not connecting with the candidate opportunities. Because why? When recruiters are searching LinkedIn, and we are typically on like only shown the matching profile who are already in our first, second, or third degree connections. So when we are going to make the connections, it's going to show us like it's you know Stanley and other 55 mutual connections, Jordan and other 55 mutual connections. So these
Mm-hmm.
kind of things happen. So you need to optimize your profile very first thing. So first
Mm-hmm.
thing, you need to put a very professional photo. I know
Mm-hmm.
my uh, profile picture is not a kind of professional, but very first day I have uploaded this video, this photo, and I'm
Mm-hmm.
using that till now. So
Okay.
yeah, sometime I'm not a good at the camera, so I made a lot of photos, but I don't like my photos, and that's why I'm not
Uh-huh.
putting my own photos, because I'm thinking no one is going to like these kind of things.
It
So
looks
literally
okay.
I'm afraid.
No,
Yes,
it
it
looks
looks
okay. It
okay.
looks
Yes, yeah.
professional. It looks professional enough. Yeah,
But
that's
in
fine.
professional, you need to be, you need to be, your face in direct face. you know,
Oh, I see.
in that
Yeah.
position. So
Mm-hmm.
uh, that's the only thing I'm missing on my
Mm-hmm.
profile. Like you can see Thomas
Mm-hmm.
Halden, you can see Sandra, you can see Nice, Mark, and like
Mm-hmm.
Claudio. So these kind of people, like you can see, all people
Mm-hmm.
are coming with a front face. I am the only
Yes.
person who is thinking like I don't like it. I don't like it.
Mm-hmm.
So yes,
Yeah.
these kind of things happen. So first thing, you need to optimize your profile. You need to put the banner. If you are not with any kind of the company, like if you are just a solo person, you can put
Mm-hmm.
anything. Like you
Mm-hmm.
can put any code, or you can put about your skills, and then you need to put the headline in a very specific way. You need to use industry specific keywords,
Mm-hmm.
and then you need to use in about section you need to use 250, maximum 200 to 250 keywords. So that's going to
Oh.
be very good. So not too long. If someone is
Mm-hmm.
going to see your profile, if they are going to read your profile within 30 seconds, it means it's best thing, because
Okay.
people don't have a time. They just want to see their interesting thing,
Mm-hmm.
and they just want to get in touch with you. This
Sure.
is the only things.
Yes.
And then you need to put about yourself and about your things, about your
Mm-hmm.
experience. So experience matters most. You need to confirm the companies. Like you can see here, recruitment consultant with all team. This is a project of all team staff in, it's a US based project. Then
Mm-hmm.
ATC healthcare. So ATC healthcare is one of the biggest company in USA for doing recruitment. So
Mm-hmm.
then yeah, so I was doing all the things with them. Then I put the
Mm-hmm.
license and certificate. So yes, you can add by yourself as well. So it's totally depending on the values, depending on,
Yes.
if you want to look like, yes, I am the person who got a very good experience. So you don't need
Mm-hmm.
any kind of a profile.
Mm-hmm.
You can just come up with a blank profile, and you can put the content. In that content is going to show that, like, yes, I am the right person. Then you're going to get automatically, you know you are going in the suggestion.
I
Like
see.
we have seen the content is automatically coming. It's
Okay.
automatically coming in our post on our timeline. So yes, this is
Okay.
how it works. And yes, but it's totally up to you. I'm not forcing you. So it's
Yeah.
totally up to you. Yes, you are right on your space. And
Mm-hmm.
I know I'm discussing about the things with my own lens,
Mm-hmm.
with the recruitment
Yes.
lens, with the
Yes, of
building the
course.
networking lens. So
Yes.
definitely we got different choices. And
Mm-hmm.
you know um, you need to make a good headline and all the things. You need
Sure.
to go with a professional way. So currently we got a lot of things like
Yeah.
chat gpt cloud, and we can take a help. And we can just what the simple thing, we can give our cv to chat gpt, and we can say you need to create a full my profile, linkedin profile, add heading, add about section, add skills, add all the things. And you need to
Mm-hmm.
keep in mind about the linkedin, and you need to keep in mind about the seos and all the things. And it's going to create automatically things. And
Mm-hmm.
then you can take it from there, and you can put it there, just a copy and pasting. And
Mm.
that's totally fine.
Okay.
So if you got any kind of question, yes, you can ask.
I think you pretty much covered everything. I think I've got a different approach.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, I have a different approach. So yeah, mostly LinkedIn is okay when you have like a CV, full CV, and you can just go on and you can just integrate yourself into the system design, which
Hmm.
is really built for people with a standard CV format of experience and things like that. I don't
Okay.
have the standard pro forma. I don't have what you
uh,
expect a standard in a person. So
mhm,
I would be approaching differently. I also think that people who are offering services
mhm,
and they've got companies, they may not necessarily need to compile a CV because they're offering the service and the people are interested in their services, and they have a track record of offering legitimate services. So I
Mhm.
think that's another approach.
Yes.
I think that's more my side of things. Really, that's the
Uh,
approach I'll be taking.
mhm.
Mm.
Yes, you are right. So definitely that's fine. So with this, I'm going to close the session.
Okay,
So by the way, thank you so much for joining and
it's a
take care of
pleasure.
yourself. And
Yes,
yeah, we got a question and
thank you.
answer session. Please join that as well.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll try to do
So
that. Can
I'll share the link. It's going to be on 7:30 p.m. after an
all
hour.
right. Okay, thank you. And Arslan, I just want to ask you, when you went on the LinkedIn first
Uh-huh.
time,
Uh-huh.
did you start off with the recruitment agency that work? Is that what you started off with, or what is it something else you were doing when you started with
No, you need
LinkedIn?
to you need to start with whatever you got experience.
Uh-huh. Okay. No, I
So
mean,
when
did you when you started, did you start with the recruitment side of things,
no
or did you
no
no? Oh, okay, you
no
had something else.
on
Okay.
that moment
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I was studying in the university.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So,
Okay then.
yeah, you can see
That's
here
great.
very first thing like I started in I think 2019.
Mm-hmm.
So on that moment I was doing a web content writing and
Okay.
I was
Mm-hmm.
in university, so I was not
Mm-hmm.
doing anything at that moment.
Okay then. Okay, great.
Yeah, yeah.
Fantastic. Okay. All right then. Thank you
Yeah,
very much. See you
thank
soon.
you so
Okay,
much for
see
your
you.
time as well.
Bye.
Take care of yourself. Bye
That's all
bye.
right. You too. Bye. Bye.